Honest review ng Klook Mount Fuji tour na hindi sales talk, let's go. We decided to go on a Mount Fuji tour on our third day in Japan and this is what we booked via Klook. Ito yung napili namin since this has the highest rating of 4.9 and convincing good reviews. The day before the trip, we received the details via WhatsApp from our tour guide. Meeting location was easy to navigate since tapat lang ng Tokyo Station and 20 minutes away lang from our hotel. Saktong 8 AM nakasakay na kaming lahat na joiners with our tour guide Miyagi-san na ang daming baong jokes, informative at engaging na hindi annoying. 30 minutes in at may view na kagad ng Mount Fuji kaya sobrang nakaka-excite. By 10 AM, nasa Lake Kawaguchi na kami and I would say na dito pa lang napaka-breathtaking na kagad yung experience. Ang sarap ng vanilla ice cream at Kyowa and muscat ice cream dito. We also made a short stop sa famous Lawson store but it was a bit crowded for good shots. Next, we went to Oshinokai at dito na kami mas naging close ng busmates namin and had lunch habang nag-ikot-ikot. First time ko din pala makahawak ng snow kaya sobrang natuwa ako. At 2 PM, we're now at Arakuyama Sengen Park at dito kami sinubok ng mga tuhod namin. 400 steps ba naman yung kailangan naming akyatin na sobrang steep pa yung hagdan but super worth it. Limited time lang yung binigay sa amin dito kaya hingal galore talaga kami pababa. Last stop is Honshu Street in Fushioda pero dahil nagmamadali na si tour guide at parang pagod na din si Mount Fuji, hindi na namin napuntahan pero ayos lang kasi nag-enjoy naman kami sa trip, busog na kami sa view at nag-gain pa kami ng new friends. My husband said that this was a nice to see tour lalo na if you're visiting Tokyo.